Now let's look at the whole chords. So E minor, second finger, second fret, fifth string, third finger, second fret, fourth string, E minor. Now to get to B7, we're going to leave the second finger where it is, put the first finger on the first fret of the fourth string, the third finger to the second fret of the third string, and the finger is going to go on the second fret of the first string. So these three fingers are all on the second fret, and this one's on the first fret. There it is again. Fifth string, third string, first string, fourth string. First of all, practice your B7. Sounds like that. And then practice changing back to E minor. Practice that for a while. And now here's the song. Mō tātou te taiao, ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te taiao, ko te oranga. It is given to us to care for the world, for it gives us our wellness in return. So if we add some rhythm to that, down, down, up, up, down is a good rhythm for this song. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, 3. Mō tātou te taiao, ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te taiao, ko te o